Say hi everyone! Here is my baby Ayana. My baby Ayana just got up. Look at your messy hair. Hello. Hello my baby Ayana. That's my baby princess. Right? Yeah, I know. Wait, mommy. I'm pumping for you. I'm pumping my milk for you so you can eat. You can drink. I know. You wait for me, okay? Wait for mommy, just a little bit more. Okay? It's not finished yet. Just relax. See what you can see around. I love you, my baby Ayana. That's my real princess. My baby princess Ayana. Oh, it's so windy. Ah. Hi. Say hi to the vlog. Hi everybody. My name is Ayana. Introduce yourself. Say I'm baby. Oh, wait, itchy. Tomorrow we're going out for the second time. Yeah, we're going to the party. Your Ninong's party? We go to the party, right? We're gonna eat what we're going to have there. We're going to have lechon. We will eat lechon, the skin. Oh, can't hardly wait for that. We're gonna have lechon. Yes? How about baby Ayana? What are you having? Only milk for baby Ayana for now. Oh, I know. Baby Ayana, where are you? Baby will have milk now because my baby is cranky now. Oh. Yeah, you are cranky now. Baby, not all the time on your side. How about the other side? Ang pihing muna. You got a flat head now. That's your favorite spot. Yung buhok mo, baby. Okay, we're gonna have some milk now. And then we're going to sleep. Yeah? Baby Ayana? What are you looking at? Huh? What are you looking? What you want? My baby Ayana. Okay, have some milk now, okay? Oh, my baby. My baby is big now. Look at my baby. My baby is big now. Okay, let's go. Let's eat. Let's have your milk. Okay. My baby, you poop? No, you don't. You don't. Baby, bam. You want milk? I give you milk. What happened? What happened, my baby? Bastos. So this is my baby Ayana. Baby Ayana will have her milk. Come on. Oh, have her milk. Come on. Come on. Ulit kong anak. Ayaw mag... What you want then? What do you want then? Oh. Tinamon, erita na. What do you want then? What do you want? Ay, nako. Come on, finish your milk. Come, let's go. Finish it. I know. Oh, come on, finish. Finish your milk. We have to finish. Oh, come on. Let's go. You have to finish, baby. You have to finish your milk. Okay. See my baby cranky. Huh? What happened? Why you're so cranky tonight? What's wrong? Just give me your milk so you can drink your milk and not hungry. Yeah? What do you want then? Burp. This is small burp. Yeah? Tignan mo yung buhok mo. Yung buhok niya na para ng kukok. Ang kukok ng baby namin. Oh, come on. Ouch! Oh, sakit. Ah! Balikat ko. What happened to your hair, baby? Why is this like? What happened to your hair? It's so messy. It's very messy hair. What happened, my baby Ayana, tonight? Oh my goodness, my baby has a flat head. Like mother, like daughter. Oh my goodness. How can you fix your head, baby? Oh, I feel so sad, baby. Pero wala tayong magawa yata. Ganyan na talaga yan. Try to massage na lang your head, baby, no, ni mama. Para maging okay yung head ni baby ko. Parehas talaga kami ng ulo, mga syas. Nakuha niya talaga yung pagka-flat head ko. Kung saan yung position ng flat head ko, doon din yung kanyang flat head. O, diba? Gayang-gaya. Gayang-gaya mo talaga, baby, yung aking sorry. Oh, I love you. Mama loves you so much. Why are you crying for? Huh? Oh, I got your milk. Look at your milk. I got your milk. See? You want to finish your milk now? Yeah? So we can go back to sleep? Huh? Look at yourself. Can you see yourself? The camera. Look in the camera, baby. Ayana. Wow. That's my baby girl. She's cranky tonight. Why are you cranky, baby? I don't know why. It's just like that. She wants to be cranky. Yeah, say hi. Say hi. Say hi to them. Yung aming baby yan ay cranky. Wala po sa mood. Time check. What's the time check now, baby? Ang dami ko pang gawain. Hindi pa natapos-tapos. Natapos na naman yung gabi. Hindi na naman natapos yung ating gawain. Diyos ko na yung marimar. Nahilo na tayo sa bahay. Hindi kakaikot-ikot na lang dito. Nakulong na nga tayo. Always like this. But tomorrow, we are going to, for change, we're going to the birthday party. Right, baby? We're going to Ninong birthday party. Ninong Mat. Yay! Makalabas din kami ng aming baby sa aming lungga. Bukas. Tomorrow. Little bit tomorrow, baby, diba? We're gonna meet our cousins and other lulos. Hey, look at the camera. What are you looking down? You want your milk now, baby? You want this? You want this? Milky? When I go back to go lay down and finish this? Okay. Anyway, yung dinididi niya pala, siya, breast milk ko rin, mga shots. Parang gusto ko lang hihinto yung breast milk, masyadong matrabaho, pero gaba. Alam ko yun yung pinaka-the best para sa baby, pero parang matrabaho, yung tipong laging mabigat yung suso mo, laging basa yung suso mo. Ay. Pero at the same time, naawa naman ako sa kanya na i-stop ko yung pagiging breastfeeding ko. Parang feeling ko, pinagkakaitan ko siya ng kanyang gatas. Alam mo yung ibang babae, lang mga nanay na naghahangad na magkaroon ng gatas na mag-feed nila yung kanilang mga anak. Tapos ako, gusto kong ihinto kasi gusto kong i-formula siya. Parang I feel bad na ganun yung gagawin ko. Pero at the same time, matrabaho yung magiging breastfeeding. Masyadong matrabaho. Ay nako, ewan ko ba, hindi pa ako sigurado sa ating mga desisyon sa buhay. Tapos yung tiyan ko, grabe na yung tinaba ko. Wala na ako magkasyang damit. Patawarin. Bukas pa naman, di ba, may punta kami birthday. Sabi ko, okay lang, wala kang problema sa damit kasi dami kong mga damit. Aba, yung sinukot ko kaninang madaling araw. Ang bihira, walang magkasya ni isa. Ano yung suso ko, lumaki yung suso ko ng tudo. Hindi talaga ni isang damit, walang magkasya. May magkasya naman yung aking mga damit kung buntis ako. Ay, Diyos ko naman, para naman akong suman. Wala nang kaship-ship. Yati, yung tiyan yung nauna. Ay, naku, Diyos ko na yung marimar. Tulad nga sinabi ko, kailan ko ba yung sinabi yung last vlog ko yata na tungkol sa tiyan ko, bakit hindi siya bakit manhid pa rin siya. Nung nagpunta ko sa doktor, sinabi niya sa akin, tinanong ko kasi kung bakit ganoon pa rin yung naramdaman ko na tumas na yung aking anak, ganun pa rin, nandun pa rin yung kahit sugatan mo yung tiyan ko, hindi ko mararamdaman. Sabi niya kasi, siyempre may nahiwa daw ng mga ugat. Siyempre nagpapagaling ko yung mga ugat, kaya ganun daw yung nangyari sa akin tiyan na wala akong nararamdaman. So wala naman akong i-worry doon pa, dapat babalik daw yun within 6 months. Nag-ano pa, nangungugat pa yung mga ano ko doon, mga veins ko sa loob. So yun. Kaya yung tiyan ko, ay malaki pa rin talaga. Gustuhin ko mag-exercise, di rin makapag-exercise kasi ay naubos na oh. Yay, very good na my baby. Yay, that's my girl. I want more. Oh, I'm so sorry, baby. Sorry, you want more. Oh, kailangan ba natin mag-unfrozen ng ano mo? Okay, let me wipe your neck. Okay, I'll give you more. Okay? I will give you more. Just wait, just hold on. Let me wipe your neck kasi maraming milk na natapon. Ano ko lang? Malakas na kasi ito uminom. Kaya minsan yung didi ko nga pa nag-breastfeed ako, ang sakit ang hapdi-hapdi na. Talagang ayaw ko na yung ipahawa kasi nga ang hapdi, grabe. Pag makasuso to naman, parang ubos-ubos lahat. So nakulangan pa siya, mamaya inom pa yan siya. O let me wipe your neck. Kasi maraming gatas na natapon. It's okay. It's okay, it's just water. Let me see. See your neck? No, it's okay. Oh, mommy. Oh, check mommy. Check your neck. Check your neck. Open. Up. Put your leg up. Come on. Kasi pag hindi yan mapunasan, baby, mangangamo yung kilikili mo. Mangangamo yung ano mo, neck mo, ng gatas. Namumula na yung leg mo, namumula. That's okay, I'm just wiping your neck. Let me see, one more. Come on, one more. Okay. Come on. Dapat dry yung neck mo. Baby, I'm just wiping your neck. Okay? Very good, man. That's my garden. You don't need to cry. Look at you. Oh, see? Oh, they're watching you. Oh. Hi. They're watching you. See? Say hi to them. I know. You want more milk? Ay, magpapampa tayo tapos. Ay, maybe you just want to sleep. Okay, you're sleepy. You had your milk. I don't think you poop. Did you poop? I don't smell anything. Okay. Tulugin ko lang itong mga shots. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye to them. Bye-bye.